I saw a creator on here that was getting customs to burp. With that being said, here is a sample for anyone interested.
Alright, here it goes.
Ta-da! Just had an Irish coffee, so this is gonna be fun. Alright.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Oh my god. I promise that sounded full. Yeah. But it was in my sink. Wow. That hurt. All right. Hi, Papa. Much in power. And I completely agree. I'm way better at it on command. Ta-da! To all the people that say burping isn't ladylike. And that is all. I just started learning how to do this, so let's give it a shot. Let's try it again.
So this is my burp talk. Really cool. It's okay. I'm trying to get better at it. Steve.